Hey guys and gals, how you doing? We're tuning into a brand new video. Today, we have 4 of these $5 Sleigh Bell Bucks. Hopefully we can find a nice win today. Today we have 33 through 36. Whoop. And yes, I picked up lucky 32, but that'll be on a future video. So anyways, the way this game is played is just you match your symbols up here. You win that prize. You get this bottom one. You get $50,000. So let's get right to it. We're gonna play it the fast way, and I think it's gonna go fantastic. And let's hopefully we can find some nice wins today. All right, let's go. Okay, I couldn't remember if the ticket scratched good or bad, and it actually scratches good. But we are playing it the fast way, so you don't have to. You know what I mean? You don't have to scratch it one by one. All right, let's go. Scarf. Do we have a scarf? We do have a scarf. How about a hat? Do we have a hat? We do have a hat. We have a coin. Are we starting off with a win? Oh, no coin. Dang it, Bobby. All right, no coin. That one's out. Any coins? Coins. Coin. And we're not winning 50 grand. Not on this ticket. Bummer. All right, reindeer. No reindeer. All right, that one's out. Out. And now we have 2 more shots. Let's go. Globe. Yep. Tree. No tree. No tree. No tree. And unfortunately, the first one's deadly. Next, ticket 34. Yeah, let's get this down just a little bit more. There we go. That looks a little bit better. And another cool way, or another cool reason to do it this way, is for you guys and gals to see if you can beat me to the winning. So you guys can play as well. Heart. We have a heart. We have a coin. Dang it, Bobby. No coin. Again. The coin always ruins us. All right. Oh, and we're not winning 50 grand. Unfortunately. All right. Ornament. I'm surprised I said it. Sometimes I never pronounce that word right. Mint. No mint. Okay. That one's gone. Don't see any more mints. All right, cool. Scarf. Sleigh. Yep. Holly. Yep. Hat. Come on, where's the hat? Where's the hat? No. Oh, the hat's not there. Dang it. I feel like it might be, though. I'm just trying to double check these because I could definitely see missing, stuff on this for sure. All right, ornament, card. Do we have a card? No card up in the house. Dang it, Bobby. And the last melon. Horn. Yep. Holly. Yep. Wreath. Yep. Horse. No. Dang it. All right. Well, if you guys have done good on these tickets, let me know. And I would love to see pictures if you've gotten any big wins on this ticket. I'm definitely curious because I actually like it. I think it's a fun little ticket. And I think it's great. Well, I think it's just an overall great ticket. Sorry, I'm trying to use my photographic memory and memorize these as I go. Multitasking can be hard. But yeah, definitely send me in some pictures if you've won big on this. And if you have, my email is in the description box below. I would love to see them. So let's see if we can win. Candle. Yes, we have a candle. Santa. No Santa. Any more Santas around here? Yep. Fortunately, all right, we got, what, 5 spots to go still. Drum, yes. Candle, yes. Horn, yes. Bell. No bell, darn it. No, nope. All right, holly. Gift. No gift. Dang. All right. Oh, that's a gift. All right. Nothing on that one. All right, last ticket. The last melon, ticket 36. Yeah, see, scratching it like this is not terrible. Just you got to put a little bit more pressure on the ticket. All right, but actually didn't turn out too bad. All right, let's go. Drum. No drum. All right. No drum there. No drum there. No drum there. All right, come on. We can do this. Heart. Yep. Fireplace. Yep. Sleigh. Yep. And a globe. Come on, globe. Globe. Where you at, globe? Oh, no. Dang it. No globe. We were one away from $10. Would have been sick. All right. Come on. Come on. We can do this. This ticket can't beat me down this hard. No, no, no. Wreath. Santa. Gift. Reindeer. And a sleigh. Yes. Yes, we got a win. Cool. Which makes me wonder, because this was on ticket 36, makes me think that Lucky 32 is a winning ticket as well, because these tickets are 1 in 3.51. And you guys will understand why I'm not playing ticket 32. Probably a little bit later down the road. It's taking a while. Anyways, let's keep it going. Wreath. And we won on the third one. And if that was $10, that was $5. That's got to be at least 20. I don't think it works that way. But you know what? If it does, cool. Horn. Cocoa. Fireplace. Yep. Heart. Yep. Coin. Yep. And a stocking. No stocking. No. Oh, that's it. All right. Sweet. Well, at least we found one win. Prize. Well, let's get to it. Come on. Big money. It's a $20 session. Come on. Show me a 0. Show me. It's 5. Oh, it's a 15. It's not a 5. It's a 15. And yep, you can win $15. That's actually not bad. So out of the $20 spent, we won $15. We'll take that. Better than a kick in the old hind quarters. So if you guys did enjoy, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up down below. Subscribe if you're new. And of course, we'll see you guys all in the next one. Take care. Goodbye.